I'm Julie, keeper of my home, and as you can see, I am still very laid up. I have my foot in a huge air cast, which is the second cast that I've had. If you're new to my channel, I broke my ankle. I have no idea how. I had some hardware in there. The hardware moved, did a lot of damage, and I had to have surgery, and I'm just recovering from that, which still told that I need to completely be off my foot, walk on it only as necessary. It is an air cast. But if this doesn't heal, I have to have more surgery. So I favor it terribly. I really want it to heal. I don't want to go through surgery again. This has been horrifying. This has been the longest that, I don't know, it hasn't really been that long. I had surgery 3 weeks ago today, actually. But it feels like this has been ongoing for quite a while, as I did break it in the fall. So add that all up, and it's been a long time, and I will be in this until mid-March, and hopefully I will get it off after that. I'm praying that this is healed, so we'll see. My house is a wreck. I just wanted to take you around and show you a little bit of what's going on. I mean, look, I've been down, so, you know, when that happens, you've got to let things slide. My husband works a very stressful job all day long, and when he gets home, he has had to take over, and he has done an amazing job, I have to say. Just amazing. But, you know, he is tired, and it's not his regular routine, so... You know, some things suffer, and that's okay. You gotta live with it. I've had to learn, really learn how to let things go. Not real great at that, but I've had to learn that. So let me just take you around and show you what I've got going here. So this is the laundry situation. I've been trying to fold whenever I'm sitting down, which is most of the time, trying to fold, which I've gotten everything pretty much caught up. You can see the bins are pretty much empty. There's a lot of ironing that I have to do. I mean, it's kind of a wreck. I mean, I'm used to being caught up on all of this stuff, and I haven't been. And if you pan around that area, yeah, that's pretty bad. Even the sink and the mirror, it's all terribly in need of attention. But like I said, I have not been able to get up much. This is the state of the bedroom. That little blue thing right there is my wedge that I have to keep my foot elevated on, and I hate it, so that's why it's sitting there and not under my foot. Bed hasn't been made in weeks. I had to move that rug that usually sits in front of the chair. I had my husband shove it under the bed because I tripped over that so many times. I have a walker, and it's been horrible. That chair is still in the corner, and let me just pan around really quick here. The recliner is out of the bathroom. Did you notice that I was sitting in it? Yes, we have the recliner out of the bathroom, finally. Okay, on to the living room. This is the chair that was in the bathroom, and it's now here in the living room, and it's been my place. You can see over here, I've got my phone, my bottle of water, everything is right there that I need. I have a book that I'm reading. Yeah, that's Julie's central spot, mainly. In here, our granddaughters are with us, and tonight we have a ball under there, and I have, oh, let me see, I have the ball and another wedge that I have that I keep out here in the living room, a stool that one of the kids were climbing on. Yeah, I did manage to get Santa down off the mantle. You can see it's just kind of a wintry sort of kind of theme. Friend Ann Clay helped me do my mantle. She said if you're just sitting there staring at it, you might as well do something with it. So I did, and this is what it looks like. So if you haven't visited Ann Clay, type her into your YouTube search bar. She has a great decorating videos on her website. So, okay, let's go around here. You can see I have the vacuum sitting out because our granddaughter likes to vacuum, and since we have not been able to, I haven't been able to vacuum, she has been doing it and I love it. Over here we have the wood bag that my husband has been carting wood up in every night, and just haven't filled the wood box. He just keeps enough in that bag, and we have the fire going, and it's not going today, but it's generally going. It's a warmer day today, so we'll probably get it going tonight. And we have a snowstorm coming for the next couple of days, so that'll be necessary. Now over on this side of the room, my sister brought a big box of books over for our granddaughter. She is really big into reading right now, so we haven't gone through those yet, and those need to be put upstairs on the bookshelf. This area stays pretty clean, so I can't complain. And then you get to the kitchen. Dishes are done. Well, for the most part. The island is atrocious, but it is our spot that we have that just collects. And you go over here, you can see our granddaughter had pizza last night. We had made a pizza, my husband did, and he just didn't get time to get the dishes done. Those are left over from yesterday or day before, I don't know. I lose track of time, but those dishes are washed. They have not been put away. And then I have the pantry, which has stayed pretty clean, I have to say, but usually I'm the one who's in there cooking. And if you don't know, I have another channel. It's called Mimi's Pantry, and that is Mimi's Pantry. So if you like cooking and baking, look for me on YouTube. I can leave a link in my channel box, and go over there and watch me. Subscribe and share, and yeah, I hope to see you over there. This is the entryway. Yeah, pretty full. My suitcase, yep, that's from 3 weeks ago when we had gone down to Portland, which is 5 hours south of us, for me to have my surgery. So that is still sitting here. And then over here, you can see the basket that holds mittens, hats, scarves, and everything. Well, that is also holding my grocery bags, my reusable grocery bags. So not sure how they got there. My sister took my wreath down off my door that had not been taken off, and the wreath holder's on the floor and the wreath is on the bench, and that's where it's been. Boots, shoes haven't been put back in order. Bag of ice melt. Yeah, my husband brought that home because we've had a few icy days, and it came through the door and sat right there. Over here we have a couple of coolers. The big red one we usually keep in the back of the vehicle whenever we go anywhere. It's just nice to have in there if we stop at a store, you know, groceries, whatever. We can put all of our cold food storage in there. Okay, so there's my suitcase. We buy in bulk. You can see some Christmas decorations that have not been put away yet. So I haven't figured out where to put all of the stuff that we buy in bulk. It's just, it came in the mail and here it sits. So I still need to take care of it, but it's a little difficult to do. I can't go up and down the stairs, so everything just sits. And everything else is pretty much clutter-free. Well, maybe not this area. Our youngest granddaughter was playing, so she has her little riding toy there. And this is just a piece that goes onto the back, in the back of our Subaru. So we just put that there because we were putting stuff in and out of the vehicle, and a calendar that needs to be put away, and yeah, it's a little bit of a mess. So, as you can see, this is my life lately. So, yeah, I definitely stood on my foot way longer than I should have. I can feel the blood it just throbs, it just pounds. I have a walker still that I'm using to get around for the most part. And I sit. I do a lot of reading. I've been working on a lot of video ideas. I just have not been able to get them done. Yeah, and it's killing me. So I just wanted to show you my wreck of a house. I wish that I could say I'm going to clean it for you today, because that is what I would absolutely love to do, but I'm not. I will get to it, but I've got to let this foot heal first. But I miss you guys. I really miss you guys, and I just needed to get on here and touch base with you, let you know I'm still here. I am just trying to heal. I don't know, can you see this great big old thing? I mean, it's huge. It has a like air thing that you pump air into it. I don't know. It's just strange. And yes, I am wearing pajama pants because not much else fits over this or fits inside of it. So I'm very restricted. But thank you for stopping by. I appreciate all of your support. I appreciate all the good wishes and prayers. And thank you for those who have sent me cards and gifts. You're treasures. And I appreciate you. And until next time.